Okay, so I've got another scenario for you as far as resource assignment. You'll look on the side here. I've kind of redone this a little bit where I've got plenty of overallocated resources. All right, and this is something where, as we saw in the last few videos, there, it's something that you have to go into. Maybe split the screen, contour the hours, that type of thing. Well, we have another tool that we can use, and it's called resource leveling. And what it allows us to do is fix overallocation, not by reducing hours or anything like that, but rather by either extending the length of certain tasks or shifting an entire task further into the future so that no longer do we have an overlap. All right, so this can be quite devastating to the project, ending, as far as how long it takes to end, when that date would be. But this is something that you would do when you're completely desperate and you say, you know what, there's nothing more I can do. I can't do any contouring. I can't reduce the hours that my resources are working. I just can't do it. So I'm going to have to give in to it, extending this out. It might not end up being as bad as you think, but it will probably make it so where it's going to go further into the future. So right now our project is ending, it looks like, on 1/17 of 2020, so into next year, okay, given what we have right now. So, like I said, it can end up being a disaster, but sometimes it might not be as much of a disaster as it could have been, depending on other situations. So, here's what we do. We go in here and we go over into the resource tab, all right, and there's a number of items in here in the level grouping. And what we're going to do is we're starting at the top here, and we're going to tell it that we want to find the first situation of overallocation. All right, so we're over here. So if you just wanted to do this one at a time, you'd do it about the way I'm about to show you. Otherwise, you can just click on to level all, and boom, it just just does it just like that for you. Okay, takes care of everything. But if you want to just kind of just see it run its course, then you can do it one at a time, and that's what we're going to do here, just for the heck of it. So I'm going to click on to next overallocation. So it brings me to here, and I say, okay, at this point, I'll tell it that I want to level the resource. So I click onto that, and it shows me the two resources that happen to be on this one that are in an overallocated state. And I say, okay, let me just move this over just a little bit so you can see this. So I say, okay, those are the two. That's great. I'm going to hit level now. And, well, what did it do there? Well, it did something. I mean, I suppose if you take the video and you just kind of rewind it, you can see this. But what I'll do is I'm going to hit clear leveling. All right. And I'm just going to do it for the entire project. I haven't really done anything yet, so I'm just going to say entire project. All right. And take it back to where it was. So that's where we were with it. So it took that, it kind of split it up a little bit, but it did shoot it out quite a bit, because now, so it started out with 117. So I'm just going to do this again. So I'll say next overallocation, level resource. There they both are. Now let's closely look at what happens here. So I'll go back in there and hit level all, or level now, right? And there it goes. All right. And of course it brought me up to what? I mean, up to 124. So that's pretty heavy there. All right. That's from the 17th up. That's almost about a week. 7 days there. That's fine. Okay, we move on to the next one. So we'll say next overallocation. There it is. Level resource. It's Gomez, obviously, the only problem there. Level now. Now we're up from the 24th now to the 31st. I mean, this is getting bad. But see, you're desperate. I mean, you have no other way to fix this, and you just have to go along with what it's doing here. All right, then we go ahead and hit next overallocation. There it is. level resource, clutch cargo, and let's see what happens here. Now we're going to go from the 31st to back to the 24th. All right, that's kind of unique. It kind of undone by doing what it did there. It kind of undone the other one here. So then I go ahead. I'll just follow through with this. I'll go to the next one here, and I'll hit level resource, level now, and then I'll go to hit next over allocation. Goes back up to the top again. I'll hit level resource, hit level now, takes care of that one. Hit next over allocation, resource level, level now. And it kind of goes back and forth, but it's getting to a point where it's still kind of playing around in those same areas there. So I'll just go back into the next. This is there no more allocations after that. Oh, let's get back to the top here. All right, and I'll hit next again. And it says basically that's the best it can do. So we're kind of stuck here. So what we're going to have to do, it looks like that's about the only one that we have trouble with. So it looks like in this situation here, let's see what we have here. Come up to here, and it looks like the clutch cargo got to be a problem. So we are left really with no other choice other than really completely changing the schedule on this and pushing it way forward or something like that, you know, when that task would start. The only other thing we can think of would be to go in there and swap out clutch with somebody else, right? So we'll go back into project, and then, I'm sorry, go back to resource, assign resources, there's clutch, all right, and he's on that one, right? We're going to hit remove, and then what we'll do is, because we need this for 5 days, we'll go up to here, we'll change this to 5D, enter that in, and these would be the only people we could use for that. So we'll say, okay, fine, we'll go with Ray, we'll hit assign, there we go, and close that up. All right, so that took care of it. So with all said and done, we're able to fix this by just swapping out one of our resources, and by doing that and going with the flow there, ended up going from 117 finish date to 131. So not too bad, but that's the way it works. So appreciate you watching the video, everybody. That should be kind of like the last resort, you know, working with the leveling, but still works out really well. And by the way, too, you can also clear out the leveling over here as well. So you're going to clear leveling and go right back to what you had, and maybe then go in there and maybe kind of play around with different reps instead, and that way maybe get it down to a little bit less over allocation, and then run through the leveling and see what you end up with that way. But either way, it works out pretty well. But like I said, it's a pretty good little tool there to work with. So I appreciate you watching. Take care. Oh, and by the way, just show it here. I mean, I was pointing it out, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. If I say clear leveling, everybody, entire project, hit OK. There you go. It's back to what we had. All right. Take care. See you later.